guys, and welcome to my kitchen, Midnight Munchies and more. I am your chef, Charisse, and today we're gonna make a vegan malt vinegar aioli. Girl, it's just a fancy mayonnaise. Like, don't get crazy. You say aioli, it just means fancy mayonnaise. So the first time I had a malt vinegar aioli actually was with our friends Joellen and Chris, and we went to visit them down in Frederick, and it was like, I forget what the White Rabbit, I think was the name of the restaurant. And they were like, oh my God, you gotta get the malt vinegar aioli. And I was like, can I make this vegan? And I fucking did it. I also want to give a super huge shout out to Chrissy for helping to donate to this channel. If you want to help support this channel and you get value from my recipes, you can donate via PayPal to midnightmunchiesandmore@yahoo.com. So let's jump into this beach. If you don't know what Aquafaba is, go watch my vegan marshmallow video or my vegan pumpkin roll video. But it's the brine from a can of chickpeas. So we're going to use half of a cup of the brine from our can of chickpeas, also known as Aquafaba. And to that, we're going to add a quarter of a cup of malt vinegar. Malt is important because we make it malt vinegar aioli beach. And then to that, we're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. So let me get that bad boy out of there. And then we're going to also add half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And then we're going to whip out our handy dandy immersion blender, and we're going to start immersing this for about 30 seconds. So now that it's nice and frothy tits, we're going to take 1.5 cups of vegetable oil. What you want is a flavorless oil for this because we don't want to overpower that malt vinegar flavor that is making it the malt aioli beach. So we're going to have to slowly, very, very slowly add this while we're immersing. So I'm not going to make you listen to the sound, but it has to be slowly. I cannot emphasize that enough, y'all. So as you can see, as we added more and more of the vegetable oil, it got thicker and thicker. Now, if you don't want it this consistency and you wanted a thicker consistency, you can add up to 1/2 cup or more of vegetable oil. I'm going to keep it a little bit thinner because we're going to like dip fries in it and stuff, but I am going to add just a little bit more. You don't want to add any more than another 1/2 cup. I know it seems counterintuitive to add more vegetable oil the thicker and creamier you want it to be, but that's actually how this specific science works. So trust me, boo-boo, trust me. Now you can give it a little taste skadoodles. Oh my God. And if you think you need like more salt or more malt vinegar or garlic powder or anything else, you can add it at this stage now. Oh my God, you guys, look at this. Like, it's all like, hold on, let me show you. Can I show you like, it's like jiggly tits. Okay, so my favorite way to eat this actually is with some french fries. So we just gonna get right in there. Okay. Yep. I don't know. I know that like in Ocean City, Maryland, a boardwalk fries, like Thrashers, they always have like an option of putting vinegar on your fries. And I tell you what, I used to always put vinegar on my fries. So this is like, this is everything. I'm just gonna sit here and eat fries in front of you for half an hour. I'm kidding. So we actually, I'm gonna make some I should call it that, vegan Philly cheesesteaks that I'm gonna put that on. So pay attention to the next video, and a full written recipe as per usual will be linked below, midnightmunchiesandmore.com. And you guys, if you like this recipe, you hit that thumbs up button, you give me a comment what you put this aioli on, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that little bell notification, and I'll catch you next time.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love, listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up.